Welcome mga Lodi sa aking channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel guys. Today we're going to repair Digi DS-673, and the issue of this one guys is not charging. So we're going to plug in this one here, the AC cord. Pasok na natin guys yung AC cord. Power on natin. Pindutin natin yung power button. Ayan, makikita nyo i-blink yung ito, low bat. So it must be charging here. It's not charging. And it's being connected here. Papakita ko sa inyo na mayroong voltahe tayo na 220. This is a non-contact volts. So we have a 220 there. The issue is not charging there. So we're going to unplug this one. Tanggalin natin ito. At check natin ang issue. Yan. Let's open up guys. Buksan natin ito. And the battery, we're going to check first. Just set your multimeter to DC. Set nyo lang ang inyong multimeter guys sa DC, positive, negative. We only got 5.70 volts, while this one is a 6 volts 4.5 AH. So it's undercharged. I'm going to disengage here, and we're going to check this transformer here with the ferrite core. And let's insert this once again. But before that, let's check for continuity here. Pag mag-check tayo ng continuity, set sa resistance, it's set in auto, and the secondary of the transformer here, very good. I got a reading here, and let's check for possible shorted. It's not shorted, hindi siya shorted. And how about the primary? Primary, there, I didn't get reading here. Power on, and AC auto. Transformer is not responding. No presence of 220 here, 173 volts. And let's check the fuse here. Resistor reading. Okay, the fuse is good. So this is how you do it, you guys. Just in case you encounter that. And we're going to connect the connector here. So this is AC. It doesn't matter if inverted, but you cannot insert that invertedly. Hindi siya may pasok ng pabaliktad. So it's going to insert the battery, and we're going to power that on. Take note, guys, I bypass this transformer here. Okay, let's power this on again. Bubuksan natin siya, guys. Then there, it's charging now. And let's wait for the battery to full charge, and we're going to turn on the unit, and let's see if the issue fix. Ayan, guys, umilaw na ang ating charging indicator. Umilaw na siya using non-contact volts. Yung 220 natin is dumaan na rito sa transformer, at tumunog din yung ating 12 volts papunta sa module niya. Yan. At kung makikita nyo dito, ito yung rectifier. So either of the two is the filter. And there the IC is. At sukatin natin, guys, yung voltahe na pupunta sa battery. We're gonna measure, guys, the voltage coming from the charger going to the battery. Just set the multimeter to DC, at kapag nag-check kayo ng voltahe, make sure na positive dito, negative dito. Yan, we got 6.49 volts. Okay, then let's try to power this on. There. See? And let's put this pen as a load, and we got 0.15 grams. How about these non-contact volts? We got 0.040. Power off. Siya nga pala, double ito. Here's the other one, and here's the other one. Dual display. So I'm going to turn off this one first, and we're going to assemble it. Assemble natin siya. Papakita ko sa inyo dahil naka-bypass pa kung paano siya ginagawa. And let's check the battery. We got 6.19. So it's being charged, guys. Now it's time to disassemble the defective transformer at install natin tong isa, guys. So parehas silang 12 volts, just in case na magkaiba sila ng ampere. For example, 800 milliamps, yung isa is 1 ampere, i-go nyo na. So okay, let's protect the terminal here for a possible water damage again. May katigasan guys yung mga gumagamit nito. Dati na-repair ko na to, water damage, pinatuyo ko lang siya, then nag-work again. Dito may connector dito, nabasa din, pinatuyo ko lang, natuyo, okay. Then after a year, ito na naman, bumalik na naman sa akin. The issue is not charging. Assemble lang natin to. Sa pag-assemble, ito ilabas natin dyan, at ito i-connect natin. Ito yung 12 volts natin na AC. Yan, at salpak natin. Power on. There, it's charging. Ayan guys, nag-charge na. Power on. While charging, we can use the unit. At ilagay natin yung transformer na sira. Ayan. Guys, kung bago ka sa aking channel, paki-follow po ako guys, pamagitan ng pag-subscribe at pag-click ng notification bell para updated ka in case na meron tayong bagong upload na video. Thanks for watching. God bless.